Welcome to Kelly's Corner. In this video, my niece and I will be decorating one of these Valentine mailboxes with vinyl and my Cricut cutting machine. I am still a Cricut beginner, so please be understanding when you watch this video. Thank you. This is the first one that I'm making, but I'm going to make it for my niece, and so she is wanting an owl. I put this one, and I took out I contoured it and I hid. See, if I go down here to contour, this shows that I have the little, I think they were black. You can see over here. See right here? The little pieces that go in the ears, those are black. And then the little black dots. That's what's over here. And I have them, I'm hiding those pieces, not this, but these. Those are being hidden, so when this cuts out, it will be all one piece and it will not have those other pieces cut out. And this one, see this? I'm just cutting it out because I want the white that goes around the eyes, the black part of the eyes, and I want this part that goes on the belly. And then this one I just have it on there to show what the whole thing is supposed to look like. I don't need this bottom part, so that's why I have this for the main part of the owl. The next portion of the video is something that I learned after I finished my niece's mailbox, and it is about hiding the contour lines. Here's another example of contouring, and on this part of the owl, I don't need the whole owl. So that, like I said before, I just need the white part of the eyes and the little belly part there. So I'm going to show you how I do that. And if I've got that boxed in there. Okay, come over here, and do you see the hide contour? Okay, so I click on that and it brings up this. That is the owl. And I just click on the part that I do not want to cut. See? Now it's just going to cut the white part of the eyes and the belly part. And that's it. Now see over here? Now I still need to hide these scoring marks. So I'll just click that X. And there it is, they're gone. So it won't even do the scoring at all. So that's it. Here's the mailbox that she's choosing. See there? Okay, hang on just a moment. She wants that one. It's a little red and blue mailbox. Okay, now she's wanting a heart to be right there. She's wanting the arrow to be put underneath Aubrey's mail. She wants the arrow to be put there with the heart right there. And you want the heart to be white also?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see if I can get that right. That's good enough, I think, right there. Is that the right size heart that you want? Or you want a smaller one?
That'll be the right size heart.
Okay. Now this, we need to make it about 4 inches from left to right. Let's see. Okay, we've got the heart on the arrow, Aubrey. See there?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I think that's pretty good.
Yeah. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to, I want to weld that heart to the arrow. And that way it will, you want it white also, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the heart there. I'm not sure if I can weld that though. Let me let's go back. I messed it up, didn't I?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, I highlighted that. Okay, you see over here, down here it says weld. That's going to, okay, can y'all see this on the video? Okay, that's the weld. It's going to put the heart with the Love You More design. So I'm going to click that and let you see how it will weld it together. See how it done there, Aubrey?
Yeah.
Okay, this is where I welded the heart there. Now it's connecting to the V there and the O. So when I go to print this, I'm not sure, but I may have to take my scissors to cut that off because all I'm wanting is the arrow. That's all I want. Aubrey's wanting that to go underneath Aubrey's mail, the words right there. So that'll be it, and I will get back to you soon. We have decided what we're going to do, so I saved it. Now I'm going to use my iPad. We are back where my Cricut is located. Aubrey is with me. Does Aubrey want to get on the video or not? Okay, that's fine. We will open up my Cricut. To open the Cricut, you have to press the open button. See there? You see, Aubrey?
That's cool.
I know. Okay, Aubrey is helping me, and she had decided on a different font since we couldn't use that other one from the desktop. And she chose this one, and we are going to edit this one and bring them a little bit closer. And see down here at the bottom, it says letter space. Let me bring it up closer here. Okay, before we get started on that though, Aubrey wants to show the vinyl that she's going to use. And first she's going to use white.
Yeah.
You want to show? Now you don't want to be on the camera, right? Okay, just your hands. Okay.
I'm going to do white for like part of the owl, and then I'm also going to do it for the letters and stuff.
Okay, she's using white for the letters.
I'm doing black for
the eyes.
Yeah.
And the ears. Part of the ears. Okay. And then
I'm going to do this little...
It's kind of a bluish, turquoise, yes.
Turquoise.
Or bluish green, something color for...
Yeah, for the wings.
Yeah, the wings are like little heart wings.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what's the other one?
Pink for the...
Now the lighting's not too good back here, but that is pink, and you wanted that for what part?
I want pink for the owl.
The main part of the owl?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Is that all the colors that we have for it?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's it. Now we'll get back to working on Aubrey's name. Okay. Watch parts 2, 3, and 4 for the rest of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video here at Kelly's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.